Hi everyone, as you saw in my video, I have lost weight, guys. Oh my god. I have gone from 219.8 last time, or 219, to 217.2. Guys, I am so excited. Your girl is losing weight. As you can see, guys, I am slimming down. I see it in my clothes. I see it. If you can see my face is slimming down as well. I'm so excited. So a quick run around of what I've been doing, guys. So I have been walking every morning at 5:30 or 5:45, getting my exercise in. That's what I've been doing. I told you guys last week that I was going to start doing the 75-day program, but I haven't been doing that, guys. It's so hard. I've been so tired and exhausted, so I've only been working out once. Sometimes I would get in 2 workouts, but I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to keep on trying, guys. My eating has been really good. I've been staying on task. I did cheat once and I put on like 2 pounds, but guys, those 2 pounds were so hard to get off. But yeah, guys, I am losing weight though. I've gone down again, so I'm 217.2, which is awesome, guys. I can't wait to get to like next week to probably get to 215, and my goal is hopefully, guys, by the end of this month I should be at least 210, God willing. But yeah, guys, so that's what has been happening for moving forward, guys. I'm going to continue with walking every morning. I actually enjoy walking now. I take it as a thing that I use to distress, and I look forward to it. I don't even put the alarm clock on. I just wake up automatically. My body wakes me up, which is awesome because that's what we want to do when you're trying to lose weight. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to give you that update. Give me feedback, guys. Let me know what you think, and give me some advice on the things that you think I could do so that I can have like maximum weight loss and all that stuff. But guys, I want to say thank you for coming on this journey with me. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. You liking this video, guys, lets YouTube know that you guys like this kind of videos, and they'll share them around to other people, and it will help the channel grow, because my goal this year is to grow my channel at least to 5,000. So guys, if you like this video, again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that when I post, you'll be notified. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye.